In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under foreign trade. So we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice in this video. Let's get started. The first question over here says the major problem encountered in international trade is that of we have differences in currency, politics, distance, differences in culture. The right answer is option A, which is differences in currency. Next question is this one. It says the major setback of international trade is we have exchange rate appreciation, inadequate export, devaluation of currency, economic sanctions. So the right answer is option D, which is economic sanctions. Next question is this one. It says one of the effects of the devaluation of the naira is that the value of other currencies relative to naira have become cheaper. Goods that can be imported with the naira have become cheaper. Goods that can be exported from Nigeria have become costlier. Imports that can be bought with the naira have become costlier. The right answer is option D. Imports that can be bought with the naira have become costlier. The next question is this one. It says foreign trade also involves buying and selling within a country, specialization and the exchange of goods in a country, providing services for other countries, the exchange of goods and services between firms. So the right answer to this question is option C, which is providing services for other countries. Next question is this one. It says interport trade refers to importing for industrial use, importing for re-export, importing for domestic consumption, exporting for factory use. The right answer is option B, importing for re-export. Very, very important. Next question is this one. It says the practice of selling goods in foreign countries at lower prices than what are obtainable in the importing country is known as. The right answer to this question is option B, dumping. Okay, next question is this one. It says an obstacle to international trade is we have quantity and quality of labor, trade imbalance between countries, cost of finance, availability of local market. The right answer is option B, which is trade imbalance between countries. Next question is one. It says which combination of the above include capital account in international trade? So we have foreign investment, long-term lending, short-term borrowing. The right answer is the one that has I and II, which is option D. So foreign investment, long-term lending, combination. Okay. Next question I have here is this one, which is it says in a common market, member countries agree basically to place bans on other countries' products, negotiate with outside the market for favorable terms of trade, establish common barriers against countries outside the market, wage war against other countries' products. The right answer is option C. Okay, establish common barriers against countries outside the market. This question, this one, it says the act of selling in the foreign market at a price lower than the cost price is called dumping. Option C. Next question is this one. It says an international trade, exchanging goods for other goods and services purchased instead of paying in foreign currency is known as. The right answer is option B, counter trade. Okay, next question is one. It says most of the barriers to international trade have been eliminated through globalization. Option D. Okay, next question. It says selling goods in foreign countries at prices below their marginal cost is. Right answer is option C, which is dumping. Okay, next question is one. It says the basis for international trade is embedded in the principle of comparative advantage. Option D. Very, very important. The next question is this one. It says dumping means selling goods abroad on credit. Option A, on credit in the foreign market at lower price than in the home market, at the same price as the home market, at a higher price than in the home market. So the right answer to this question is option B, which is at lower price than in the home market. Okay, next of the question is this one. It says in international trade, exchanging goods for other goods and services purchased instead of paying in foreign currency is known as counter trade. Option B, the question. Next one is this one. It says the barriers to foreign trade include all except. So the exception here is crisis barriers. Okay, others here are among political and economic barriers, social and language barriers, currency problems. Okay, so the right answer is option A, is an exception. The next question is this one. It says the overriding advantage of home trade over Foreign trade is in language of transaction, accessibility of the seller to buyer, is in form of payment, absence of billing document. Right answer is option B, which is accessibility to seller to buyer. Next question. The cost that arise from failure to load or unload a ship at a port within the stipulated period is known as demurrage charges. Option D. The last question before we end this video, this one. It says interport trade usually occurs in, so I think this is a question, exporting goods to be imported, importing goods to be re-exported, exchanging goods within a nation, exchanging goods among countries. The right answer is option A, importing goods to be re-exported. Okay, so guys, this basically can do problems involving foreign trade for the JAMB commerce. We practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share, and comment to the video. Now, if you feel what you learned from the video, if you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will give you a response. Also, ensure part of the channel actually by clicking the join button and getting premium information helping to excel the next exam like a JAMB and other exam you're writing. By having known that, click on the next button. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.